Just shook one of my face. That was funny. You know hilarious. Don't sit still the whole time. We're making a video for like a fucking. Oh, I don't know what you want me to do. I didn't know you were recording yet.
Do I?
Do you see my videos? Yeah, but I think it's just weird. It makes me feel awkward at all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chuaahh. So today I have my twin with me.
Hey.
Jessica. Anyways, we're going to be reviewing the November Boxycharm. I know it's been a while since I've done a review of Boxycharm. So yeah, we're going to create a look of this eyeshadow palette. And I'm debating I'm going to use these brushes because they're so pretty. And I don't want to get these dirty, but I might use these just because it's the video. And yeah, so I'm going to show y'all what I got in my box, and she's going to show you what she got in her box. So let's get to the video. Yep. Yep, at the end. The first thing we're going to do is the eyeshadow palette. You need to take out my thing. It's like $21 a month for the box, and you get 5 items each month.
Elbow me in the face, bitch.
And all that. So we both got the Beaute, Grandoise, how do you say that, palette. So we got this palette. Can y'all see that? Okay, right here. And the colors are so pretty. I saw this on Instagram and can't wait to try it. And she's already swatching these. So I really like the color scheme of this palette. I really like these colors right here, these two, for sure. So we're going to create a look with this eyeshadow palette. So I already primed my eyes, and I'm pretty sure she already primed her eyes.
Yep, I did.
Oh yeah, let me show the brushes too.
Oh,
Can you
yeah,
actually open this?
I already used mine.
She's opening my brushes for me. Oh. So it comes with, let's say 3. So it comes with 4 LUXIE brushes, and I really like the color. It's gold. It's so pretty. And they feel so soft. So I'm pretty sure these are synthetic, obviously. This is like the eyeshadow brush set, right? Yeah, the eyeshadow brushes. So of course, let's see how much the the palette it costs. The palette is $24.99 and the brush set is $21. So the eyeshadow palette, it says featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold matte shades. Your new Grandoise. I should know how to say that because all of them has a fucking mascara that name. Palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. And for the brush set, it says add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition Boxycharm collaboration. Shut the fuck up. Interrupted me, bitch.
I'm sorry.
The LUXIE Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for Boxycharm. The LUXIE 141 Mini Brown Brush is perfect for smudging or smoking out your lower lash line. You want to show that?
Which one? This one?
Yeah. I think.
Oh.
Yeah, that. And I'm pretty sure that's it. And or smoking out your lower lash line, while the LUXIE Mini Tapered, this one, lets you effortlessly blend your crease color.
This is a mini tapered. Is it?
No, it's this one.
I get confused.
I lost my line.
I swear.
Oh, the mini saber lets you effortlessly blend your crease color, and the LUXIE mini flat angled brush.
Oh yeah, that is the angle brush. Duh. Cause it's angled.
The angled brush can add a pop of color to your brow bone or precise. Oh, I read the wrong line. Angle lets you point out harsh lines or packing on cream products to your lid, and the LUXIE 131 mini angled. Huh? What? Is it this?
Yeah, you got it backwards.
Oh, this is the flat.
I thought we both got it wrong.
But this is the angled. This is not angled. Anyways, the last
You
one,
read the wrong line, remember?
one of the two. The 131 mini angle can add a pop of color to your brow bone precisely in place onto your crease. I think it's pretty, this one. Yeah. I'm gonna use the color Patchouli, and it's this one right here. What color are you using?
I'm gonna use clove. Oh, clove.
Say it.
Clove. I'm gonna use clove.
So fucking awkward. So it has a bit of fallout when you fucking lightly tap
Ooh,
on it.
see on that?
Yeah, Jessica's a lot. So let's see if it's pigmented. So I'm using that as the transition color to be able to blend all the other crease colors.
Do a lot of pinks on the
And then I'm gonna use the.
Probably stick with pink. Like a little bit of gold. Where's the line usually use? I got a glitter on my face, girl.
So the next color I'm gonna use. There's so much fallout from that first color I just did. So the next color I'm gonna use is cinnamon. This color right here on the top
What color is that one?
row. So of course there's a lot of. Would you see that, Jessica?
No, it wasn't
All that
pink.
fallout. So I'm just gonna apply that right underneath that first color I just did. Ooh, I really do
Nice.
like this color. It's really pigmented, actually.
I am gonna use that same color too.
Where's my other brush? So I'm just gonna use the previous brush and just blend these two colors together. Now I'm gonna use the LUXIE brush and use the color Poppy. This pretty magenta color right here.
Oh, it's nice that color too. I really will.
Dude, there's a lot of fallout from this though. At least it's really pigmented. That's a good thing. So much kickback there from the palette. So I'm just gonna apply that right and the. Ooh, there's fall on my cheek. So I'm applying that right onto the inner crease.
I really like this pink.
Ooh, so pretty. Let me use Rose Bitch and Jasmine.
I was gonna get her too.
I'm not doing the same thing as you.
Oh, yeah.
So now I'm going to use the color Jasmine, which is this pretty shimmery cream color right here. Then I'm going to use the same color she used and use Rose right next to that. This brush and use Jasmine right onto my brow bone. I'm just done with this eye look. And then for the lower lash line, I'm going to use a Poppy and Cinnamon and smoke that out. Prime Rose. Oops. I use Prime Rose right here in the inner corner. So I finished the eyeshadow portion of this look. So we're gonna go off camera real quick and do our eyeliner, and we'll be right back. Down to the last 3 things. So the next one is the CoverFX glitter drops in the color Nova. So it's this right here, and we both have it. It's so pretty. And I know she said she tried it out already, and she said a little bit.
Need a little bit.
It goes a long way. So
that is still probably a little too much.
And it goes for $44. This thing goes for $44. So it is worth it to get the Boxycharm every month for $21. And it says these ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact.
That little tiny drop.
Interrupt me again when I'm trying to read. Reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under, or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or mascara for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my cheeks. Oh, if I don't put too much, you know? 'Cause I like to put too much highlighter all the time. I like to bathe in highlighter, basically. So I'm just gonna put a little bit like that right there and see how this goes. And I'm just going to use my finger and dab. I think I'll put a little bit more, honestly. This is how much I need. On top of the highlighter. And I'm going to actually put color pop right on top of that just to give me a little bit more pop, you know?
Yeah, highlighter.
But look at this. It's actually so pretty by itself. I just dropped my highlighter brush.
You don't even need any highlighter with it.
What do you mean?
It looks good without it.
I'm out of highlighter. Because I'm just going to do it for my nose then. I didn't really put too much on my nose. I don't want glitter on my nose.
What kind of powder is this? Like it's some powder.
Maybe just a little bit on top of that, just to enhance this. Just a tad.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And then,
what's next?
the next thing is the tweezers.
See, I didn't get tweezers. I got this. Whatchamacallit?
Open it up, tell them see the color. So I got the Farah brush tweezers.
I got a glittering star eyeliner.
So I got the gold, Galaxy Gold tweezers, and these retail for $12.
Yeah,
and it says, these dual-ended tweezers were created to give you the easiest hair removal process possible. This unique patented design is made with surgical stainless steel. The flat side removes coarse, thick hair, and the pointed side way teases the fine hairs. So this is the little pointy side. Y'all can see that. And this is the flat, this flat side.
I like it wrapped in here.
Ooh, that eyeliner, look at the eyeliner, it's so pretty. Ew, let me borrow that.
You want to try the tweezers?
No, I actually really like the tweezers.
Oh my god, I want the tweezers!
And then, the last thing I got is the brush remover. Makeup brush cleaner.
See, I traded my eyelashes for this because I wanted this because Boxycharm told me I was getting this, and I said, "Oh, whoops, you were supposed to do that." So they gave me eyelashes and stuff.
Anyways, what kind of eyelashes were they?
They're actually really pretty. The Lashaholic, whatever. I actually kind of wish I kept them, but
so
I already told the girl I was gonna trade her with them.
How do you say this? Brush cleaner.
Bodyography.
Brush cleaner. And it says cleansing and disinfecting your brushes have never been easier, made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers. This cleansing spray easily disinfects and cleanses your brushes.
See, I think I'm gonna use this just to clean my brushes real quick in between washes. You know, because you guys.
So that's all 5 things from Boxycharm.
Do I have to show mine too?
No. She don't know how this fucking YouTube shit works, huh?
No, obviously I don't.
What am I missing? I'm missing one, the tweezers. So this is all the stuff I got. I don't know how I hold all these. This is all I got. All this. And it's all her stuff. So for $21 a month, just do a tweezers hat. You get 5 products each month.
I think the tweezers
worth
want
it.
to go home with me.
It's the end of the video.
Oh, we're still recording.
She is.
I thought you could stop.
So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the November Boxycharm review with my twin right here. Be sure to check her Instagram out. I'll be down below right here somewhere. And don't forget to follow me on Snapchat and Twitter.
You still use Snapchat?
And Instagram.
I don't use Snapchat no more.
Anyways, so I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.